In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Etsy shop. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's dive in and cover the essentials to get you started on your journey to becoming an Etsy seller. The first step is registering for an Etsy account. Head over to etsy.com/sell where you'll find either a Get Started button or an Open a Shop Today option ready to click. Follow the prompts to enter your name, your email address, and create a secure password. If you prefer an even quicker setup, you can choose to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you're set up, you'll be all ready to move on to opening your shop. Now, you'll be directed to set up your shop preferences. This is where you will specify some basic yet crucial details. Select the language that you wish to use for your shop, the country in which you're selling, let's say the USA for this example, and finally, choose the currency that you'll be using. These settings can profoundly impact your reach and communication with potential customers, so take a moment to ensure everything is correctly set according to your business needs. Next, it's time to get creative with choosing a shop name. This is your opportunity to create a memorable and unique name for your shop. Remember, this name must be utterly unique, but don't stress too much if you need to change it later. Etsy allows for that before you launch your shop. As you brainstorm, consider including relevant keywords. These can help potential customers find your shop more easily when searching for products similar to yours. Once you've settled on a name, the next step is to list your first item. Begin crafting a product listing by thoroughly filling in details. You'll want to include clear, captivating photos and a comprehensive description of the item. Don't worry about listing all your items at this stage. Focus on at least one product for now, as having an item listed is essential for officially opening your shop to the public. Finally, set up your payments and billing. This step ensures you're ready to receive orders and Etsy your earnings. Choose how you'd like to get paid by providing your bank account information. In addition, you'll need to set up your billing details to cover Etsy's listing and transaction fees, which include a 0,25 fee per item listed and a 6.5% fee on each transaction. Being aware of these fees upfront will help you manage your finances and operate your shop smoothly. And there you have it. You've built the foundation for your Etsy shop. Take a moment to review each step if needed, and before you know it, you'll be welcoming your first customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I'm excited to see what amazing creations you'll bring to the Etsy marketplace.